I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making s'mores. Stick around. Greetings my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. If I have an appointment for something like a haircut or a massage, I always take some candy with me. It's my way of going the extra mile to show my appreciation. I've even started taking candy when I go to the dentist. They appreciate the candy, and I appreciate the literally delicious irony. I had a haircut appointment a few days ago, and I didn't have any candy left over from last week's episode. Scanning the pantry for ingredients, I saw graham crackers, marshmallow cream, chocolate, and I thought, well, I guess it's time to make s'mores. They're super easy and super tasty, so let's get to it. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own s'mores, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I'm using some graham crackers, some marshmallow cream, and some chocolate. The reason I'm not giving more precise measurements here is that this is one of those recipes where you can make as few or as many as you want, so whatever you need, use it. I'm also using a cutting board, some parchment paper, a silicone bowl to melt the chocolate in, some precision dipping tools, and something to spread the marshmallow cream. Your spreader doesn't have to have cute little croissants as a handle, but it couldn't hurt. Okay, let's make some candy. Temper the chocolate. Spread some marshmallow cream on the graham crackers. Dip a graham cracker into the chocolate. Let the excess drain. And place it on a lined cutting board. Repeat this with the rest of the graham crackers and leave them on the counter until the chocolate is set. And that's it. Told you it was easy. Okay, let's give it a try. Slancheva. Yeah, what can I say here? It's a s'more. It's graham cracker, marshmallow, and chocolate. It's delicious. And I want some more. So if you're looking for a delicious campfire treat, but don't feel like building a campfire, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. So I had a...